If you're looking for a house in Southwick, Massachusetts, we've got the spot for you. I'm here today at 3 South Loomis Street, Southwick, Massachusetts. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. We have Stephanie Salerno from Coldwell Banker. She knows the drill.
All right, come take a look around. Let's go.
Oh, wow, look at this. We got a brand new kitchen here.
Yeah, quartz counter, stainless appliances.
We've got laundry here on the first floor.
Yep, and a great mudroom entry.
And then we go around the corner to our dining room, it looks like.
Yeah, and check out that slider.
All right, let's go actually outside. Let's go across this deck. We'll connect in through the living room on the other side. This deck is huge.
Yep, and if we flip back around, check out this pellet stove. So we have a very efficient heating system, new flooring, and there's some other really great features here. We've got a new well pump, brand new septic, new windows.
Down the hall, we come down to a bedroom here, as well as a full bathroom.
So fully renovated, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths in this house, Brad.
Wow, all right, so the primary here has its own full bathroom too. This looks great. The basement also has a fireplace and connects to the 2-car garage.
Yep, and it's a full walkout basement.
If you're interested in checking out this property, hit Stephanie up. If you'd like some financing options, her information is right here on the screen. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, Southwick. Thanks for having us today. We're out of here.